The DEWALT DWE7491X Table Saw is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts, offering a host of features that make woodworking a breeze. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system is a standout feature, enabling swift, smooth, and precise fence adjustments. With a generous 32.5-inch rip capacity, handling larger shelving and trim materials is a walk in the park. Plus, the two-position flip-over rib fence adds versatility, allowing for narrow rib cuts and ample material support. The Site Pro modular guarding system is another highlight, facilitating tool-free adjustments of guarding components tailored to specific applications. And let's not forget the 2.5-inch dust collection port, which seamlessly connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Now, onto my personal experience with this saw. As a rookie in the world of table saws, I was initially hesitant, but after taking the plunge and purchasing the DWE7491X, I was thoroughly impressed. The saw's weight and build quality exceeded my expectations, and I particularly appreciate its ability to fold and stow neatly under my workbench. However, it's not without its flaws. Upon arrival, I encountered some issues, including a bracket on the underside of the deck that wasn't properly attached and a misaligned ruler sticker. Additionally, the hardware for the stand was loose in the box, and a few pieces were missing. One particularly disappointing aspect was the flimsy plastic piece indicating the distance between the fence and the blade. It felt cheap and fragile, not up to the standard set by the rest of the saw. Furthermore, the saw required significant calibration out of the box. While some may argue that calibrating a new saw is standard practice, the level of misalignment with this model was excessive. Straight cuts were nearly impossible, and the crooked fence posed a safety hazard. Despite these drawbacks, I remain satisfied with the overall performance of the DWE7491X. Its robust features and impressive capabilities outweigh the initial hiccups, and I'm already considering upgrades like a dado and a new fence to further enhance its functionality. If you're willing to put in the effort to fine-tune it, this table saw is a worthy investment for any DIY enthusiast.